Ever wondered what junk food is doing inside your body? Eating too much junk food is like putting low-quality fuel in a race car. Your body slows down. Extra sugar and fat give you a quick energy rush, but soon you crash and feel tired. Over time, junk food can lead to weight gain, pimples, even heart problems. Your mood takes a hit and your immunity weakens, making you fall sick more often. A burger once in a while is fine, but daily junk food? That's a recipe for trouble. So next time, think before you take that extra bite.